Oh my gosh. I was crushing the intro. Like my skin was like so mad. Also, feel free to enjoy the sound of my parents in the background. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew. Today's the day I have for you. It is day 4 of May 2019 Box Week. Your brand new YouTube channel. Hi, welcome. I'm Drew, and Box Week is the best week every month YouTube channel. It is the 1 week every month we spend a whole week together, so it's great. So you're catching us on day 4. Today we're going to be opening up the Target Beauty box. So Target Beauty is a subscription box that Target does every month. It is not something you can oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I was crushing the intro. Like I was like flowing free speech, and then suddenly it just all shut down. Also, feel free to enjoy the sound of my parents in the background. I'm filming on a Sunday and they're both home and they're like, we don't care if you're filming, we're gonna keep on talking. And I was like, okay, sweet, yeah, nice. Today we're opening Target Beauty Box. It's not a subscription that you can subscribe to and have sent to you every month. It's a subscription that you actually have to get first come first serve, but they release it every month between like the 1st and 5th of the month. And it's usually around $7 every single month. Very rarely will they offer different boxes that cost a little bit more, but their actual monthly subscription is $7. So let's just get right on into it. Also, should mention that we'll be putting items into our stockpile giveaway. This is a box that I fill up with items to get my subscription boxes. I keep some, I put some in there to give away, and then once it's full, I'll post a video to tell you how you can actually win it and enter and all that good stuff. All right, so I want to point out that this sounds like something is not doing good in here. Like I'm nervous that something's broken. Like I really hope that everything's intact, but it just doesn't sound good. So, alrighty, it says Festival Beauty Headliners right here. Every month they give you a coupon for $3 off of $15 that you can use on beauty products in Target store. Alright, the first item that I'm pulling out here is Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. Gentle, non-abrasive exfoliator with fruit enzymes. Okay, I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of leery of the Bliss skin products. I did one of their face masks that we got in a box a long time ago, and my skin like freaked out. Like my skin was like so mad after I did it. I'm gonna put this in the stockpile giveaway just because I don't know if maybe I'm allergic to something that Bliss uses in their products, but if you win the giveaway, please just be careful about this product because I don't know. The next one that we have is, ooh, this is a really cute Sinful Colors. Made in the USA, looks like Fool for Azul, blue nail polish. That is so cute, look at it. Okay, I'm putting this in the stockpile giveaway also because you guys know that I don't paint my own nails because like I'm really bad at it. Like I've tried to paint my own nails. Doesn't really turn out. It's not really for me, it's not my thing. So that's going to the giveaway as well. All right, next we have SGX NYC, the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Okay, yes, okay, here we go. I love a good texture spray. Like I'm using it now. I love texture spray. Like I don't know. You put it in your hair and then you just like mess with them roots a little bit. I don't even care if I look a fool right now on camera because I'm excited. I like the way it smells. I'm here for it. That's exciting. Next thing that we have is Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh 48 Hour Antiperspirant. Okay, so this is a Dove dry deodorant and it looks like it's a cucumber smell. Oh, the cap came off. Look at. Ah! See, I told you something didn't sound right in the box. It was the deodorant, but I fixed it. Okay. That's weird. I don't know how you'd feel about smelling like a fresh cucumber in your armpits, but I'm gonna find out. So that's all I know. All right, next one that we have is Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Refresh Sunscreen Mist. Oh, a sunscreen spray. Okay, definitely I'm gonna keep that because sun's coming out. I feel it. I feel like we're gonna get summer eventually, so I'm gonna keep it for that reason. Next thing we have is, okay, this is awesome. Oh my gosh, a bunch of little rings. Oh my gosh, this is little, or is this for your hair or for your fingers? Basics, everyday. Okay, I can't tell if these are for your hair or for your fingers. I don't know if I care. I think it's for your hair actually. I'm gonna find out how I use these though. Look at, they fit on my pinky finger. I don't care. I'm keeping it. I don't know what I'm doing with it. So I'm gonna find that out first. And then I'm gonna hopefully use it. That's exciting. All right, finally we have Mask Bar Holographic Foil Peel Off Mask. Alrighty, so I think this is like a mask you put, okay. You put on for like 10 minutes so it becomes completely dry and then you peel it off. Oh, interesting. Huh. Is this like an actual like liquid or is it like I can't tell. Shoot. All right, I'm gonna keep this because I'm not really sure exactly how this works. So I'm interested to see that. I sprayed too much spray. The hair and the cucumber deodorant, I went too far. I'm gonna recap this box. We got the Mask Bar holographic foil peel off mask. You know what? I'm actually putting that in stockpile giveaway. I have a lot of masks right now. And somebody will have to try it out. Send me a picture, let me know. We got these little doodads for either your fingers or for your hair. Either way, we're gonna find out what they're for eventually. The Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Sunscreen. Okay, well, we got the Dove Dry Spray Go Fresh Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. We got the Sinful Colors Fool for Azul nail polish, which is a really cute blue color. We got the Do It All 3-in-1 Texture Spray, which I tried in my hair, and my hair now feels textured. It's very exciting. And is that everything? Is that all that we got? I feel like there was another item somewhere. I don't know. I feel like there was, oh, there was. I knew it. The Bliss Jelly Glow Peel I'm putting in the box as well. Okay, so that's everything we got in the box. All that was only $7 and you get the $3 coupon too. So definitely a value. I really am happy with it. So that's all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to part the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can meet our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life. And I will see you tomorrow for day 5 of Box Week. All right, talk to you. I love you. Goodbye. Bye. I don't, anti-frizz sheets. Just like gonna walk around and be like, while I'm like out doing my thing, I'm gonna be like, what's up? Yeah, no, don't mind me. Just gonna fix the frizz on my forehead. Like, what? That's so